Now echo the harsh roar of chainsaws. Two loggers, clad in work gear, are hard at work, cutting down trees, their axes and chainsaws biting into the ancient trees with ruthless efficiency.
It's time to chop down these trees. We've got quotas to meet. Look at this timber. We'll be rich by the end of the week. Who cares if a few trees have to go down? It's progress, my friend. Progress. These trees are just standing there, waiting to be turned into profit. And besides, what's a little deforestation as compared to our bottom line? We got bills to pay. Ha ha ha. Exactly. As long as we have money in our pockets, we'll be just fine. That's the spirit. Now let's chop down these trees until there is nothing left but stumps.
The loggers work with determination, their faces grim and focused as they bring down tree after tree. The forest, once teeming with life, grows quieter with each tree that falls. The forest, once a vibrant ecosystem, beaming with life, now echoes with the sound of destruction. As the loggers continue their work, a new force emerges amidst the chaos. Activists, driven by a passion for environmental conservation, step forward to confront the devastation unfolding before them.
Hey, stop! Stop! You can't continue destroying this forest. Who are you? We are here to protect these trees and the precious ecosystem they support. Deforestation is destroying our planet, and we won't stand idle while it happens. These forests belong to us loggers. We have all the rights to harvest these trees for our profit. Profit at the expense of our planet's future? That's unacceptable. Exactly. Our planet's health is at stake. We have solutions that will benefit both the people and the environment. These words can only lure ideas but not our pockets. Be practical. We can adopt sustainable forestry practices, agroforestry and ecotourism to preserve this forest for future generations. How foolish! We have families to feed and bills to pay. Logging is our livelihood. How can we switch to something uncertain? We understand the challenges and problems you face, but we need to coexist with nature without exploiting it for short-term gain. And how do you propose we do that? We can adopt, as I already mentioned, sustainable forestry practices, agroforestry to preserve this forest for the generations to come. Exactly. We need to leave a legacy of hope so that our future generation can experience the beauty of our precious nature. As you are already living in such a beautiful area, why don't you open a homestay? We will promote it. Interesting. To me, there's a way we can make money while also protecting the forest. Precisely. You can explore sustainable forestry practices, value-added wood products, and alternative income streams that don't rely on mere cutting. It won't be easy, but perhaps it's worth a try. We've seen the damages our actions have caused to the nature, and I guess now it's time for a change. Yes, it's time for a change.
After a heated exchange of ideas, the loggers and activists pause to reflect on the situation, realizing the importance of finding common ground for the sake of the forest and their shared future. The realization dawns on both parties that cooperation and compromise are essential for the forest's survival.
Are you even aware of the destruction you've caused to this forest? What, us? Yes, you. Let me show you. Just be with me and look there. Look! tomorrow. Oh Lord, these people are so invested in preserving our earth. What destruction have we caused? I feel so guilty now. For all the lives I've invested was destroying this planet for my own greed.
Don't worry. It's never too late for making a positive change.
Nature has nourished us for ages. Now, it is our turn to show gratitude towards it by reviving it. Together, we can set an example for other communities facing similar challenges. Let's work hand in hand to protect this forest and build a more sustainable future. Come, join them.
Don't pollute, follow nature's flute. Better environment, better tomorrow. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Don't delay, save the earth today.
With newfound determination, the loggers and activists join forces, committing to a future where the forest thrives and their livelihoods are secured without sacrificing the environment. And so, amidst the towering trees, a new chapter begins, a story of collaboration, resilience, and hope. The loggers, once agents of destruction, now became stewards of the forest, guided by the wisdom of cooperation and the promise of a better tomorrow.